for unveiling the power of knowledge in the fast-paced and dynamic landscape of the digital age. Certain skills emerge as cornerstones for success. This exploration delves into 6 pivotal skills that play a significant role in navigating the complexities of the contemporary era. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, navigating the realm of artificial intelligence requires a unique set of skills to ensure success. These 6 key skills are essential for individuals and businesses looking to thrive in the age of AI. Number 1. A business strategy and implementation. In the contemporary business landscape, mastering the intricacies of AI business strategy and implementation has become a cornerstone for organizational success. The rise of artificial intelligence has ushered in a transformative era, compelling businesses to craft comprehensive strategies that harness the potential of AI technologies. The core of this skill lies in the ability to identify strategic opportunities for AI integration within an organization. This involves a meticulous assessment of existing processes, recognizing areas where AI can drive innovation, efficiency, and foster a competitive advantage. Take, for example, a retail company seeking to revolutionize its supply chain. By implementing AI-driven forecasting and inventory management systems, the company can not only streamline operations, but also minimize waste, leading to a tangible enhancement of the bottom line. Yet the journey toward effective AI implementation is not without hurdles. Challenges such as data privacy concerns and the imperative need for employee training demand astute navigation. A skilled practitioner in AI business strategy is well-versed in mitigating these challenges, ensuring a seamless integration that adheres to ethical standards. In essence, the ability to formulate and execute a robust AI business strategy is not just a technological imperative, it is a strategic move that positions organizations at the forefront of innovation. As businesses continue to embrace the possibilities offered by AI, those adept at crafting and implementing strategic initiatives in this domain will undoubtedly lead the way into a future where AI seamlessly integrates into the fabric of successful enterprises. Number 2. AI project management. In the era of AI integration across industries, the role of an AI project manager has become pivotal for successful implementation and optimal utilization of AI technologies. This role demands a unique fusion of technical prowess and non-technical acumen, emphasizing a comprehensive understanding of both the underlying technology and the intricacies of project management. AI project management encompasses a spectrum of responsibilities, from grasping the intricacies of the AI technology involved to coordinating diverse cross-functional teams. A proficient AI project manager is adept at managing stakeholder expectations, ensuring alignment with the organization's brand and customer service standards. Take, for instance, the implementation of an AI-powered customer service chatbot for a major airline. The AI project manager becomes the linchpin, liaising with stakeholders, identifying key requirements, and steering the project towards aligning seamlessly with the company's overarching goals. Moreover, anticipating potential challenges, whether they manifest as language barriers or system integration issues, is intrinsic to the role. The AI project manager's capacity to develop effective contingency plans ensures a proactive approach in mitigating hurdles that may arise during the project lifecycle. Ultimately, the mastery of AI project management goes beyond the technical realm. It is about orchestrating a symphony of technological innovation within the constraints of budgets and timelines. By effectively navigating these complexities, AI project managers contribute significantly to the enhanced operational efficiency and superior customer experiences that AI technologies promise in the contemporary landscape. Number 3. AI-powered personal branding. In the contemporary landscape, AI-powered personal branding emerges as a game-changing skill, reshaping the dynamics of individual presence in the digital realm. The fusion of personal branding with AI technologies has introduced a new dimension, offering individuals, the tools to create not just a brand, but a captivating and memorable digital identity. Crafting a personal brand that stands out amid digital competition has become a strategic imperative. AI-powered personal branding is a multifaceted skill that encompasses the utilization of tools to generate compelling content, maintain visual consistency, and establish a unique identity across diverse platforms. This skill is not confined to any particular industry. Professionals from various domains can leverage AI to elevate their online presence. Consider a freelance graphic designer aiming to carve a niche in the digital space. AI-powered design tools become their creative ally, enabling the creation of visually stunning portfolio pieces that showcase skills and creativity. Moreover, the integration of virtual assistants driven by AI takes personal branding to the next level. These assistants adeptly manage social media interactions, engage with the audience, and ensure the consistency of the brand across various platforms. The significance of AI-powered personal branding lies in its ability to democratize the process. It empowers individuals, irrespective of their industry, to harness the capabilities of AI in presenting a cohesive, engaging, and relevant online persona. In a world where digital competitiveness is the norm, this skill becomes not just an asset, but a catalyst for sustained visibility and influence. Number 4, curiosity and continuous learning. In the ever-evolving landscape of rapid technological advancements, the symbiotic combination of curiosity and continuous learning emerges as a defining trait for success. This dynamic duo serves as a beacon, guiding individuals through the intricacies of an era where adaptability is paramount. Curiosity, manifested in the form of probing questions and an insatiable appetite for exploration, becomes a driving force in navigating the complexities of emerging technologies. Imagine a marketing professional stumbling upon a novel AI-powered tool designed to optimize advertising campaigns. Fueled by curiosity, this professional doesn't merely skim the surface, but delves into the tool's intricacies, conducting experiments, and gaining a profound understanding of its capabilities. Here, curiosity isn't just a trait. It transforms into a catalyst for in-depth comprehension and mastery. Continuous learning, the indispensable companion to curiosity, takes center stage in an era where stagnation is not an option. The exponential growth of information requires professionals to embrace an ongoing commitment to learning, whether through online courses, workshops, or self-directed study. This commitment transcends individual development. It becomes a cornerstone of organizational resilience in the face of technological disruptions. The synergy between curiosity and continuous learning extends beyond personal growth. It fosters a culture of innovation and adaptability within organizations. Professionals who embody these traits position themselves not only as valuable assets within their fields, but also as torchbearers for a future where curiosity fuels exploration and continuous learning becomes the foundation for sustained success. Number 5, data storytelling and visualization. In the age of data abundance, the ability to transform raw data into compelling narratives and visuals is a skill that holds unparalleled significance. Data storytelling and visualization bridge the gap between complex datasets and human understanding, making information more accessible, relatable, and persuasive. Consider a non-profit organization working on addressing the global water crisis. By employing data storytelling, they can transform intricate data on water scarcity, usage patterns, and environmental factors into a compelling narrative that inspires action. Interactive maps, animated infographics, or engaging presentations become powerful tools in conveying the severity of the issue and the impact of potential solutions. Similarly, in a corporate setting, a product manager tasked with presenting user data to their team can leverage data storytelling to create a concise and engaging presentation. By weaving a narrative around user pain points and proposed solutions, supported by visually appealing graphics, the manager can convey complex information effectively. Data storytelling and visualization, therefore, go beyond just presenting numbers. They encapsulate the art of creating narratives that resonate with human experiences. In a world inundated with information, mastering this skill becomes a strategic advantage in conveying messages that leave a lasting impact. Number 6, prompt engineering. Prompt engineering emerges as a nuanced skill, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. It involves crafting effective prompts to elicit desired responses from AI language models. To grasp the importance of this skill, one can liken AI to a genie in a bottle. The outcome one receives is intricately tied to the precision and creativity embedded in the prompts given to the AI. Consider a content writer tasked with generating a blog post about the benefits of dating apps. Instead of a generic prompt like "write a blog about dating apps," prompt engineering urges a more targeted and engaging approach, crafting a prompt like "you are now an expert relationship coach." Write a blog post about the top 5 benefits of using dating apps for men refines the interaction with the AI model, resulting in more relevant and focused content. Prompt engineering demands a deep understanding of context, precision in language use, and anticipation of possible responses. It is a skill that amalgamates creativity, logic, and a profound understanding of human language. By refining prompts, individuals can harness the full potential of AI language models, ensuring the generation of content that aligns precisely with their objectives. In essence, these 6 skills form a stamp of competencies that propel individuals and organizations forward in the digital landscape. They embody the essence of adaptability, effective communication, and mastery of cutting-edge technologies. As the digital realm continues to evolve, honing these skills becomes not just a choice, but a necessity for those aspiring to thrive in the intricate tapestry of the contemporary professional landscape. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this content insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. And to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to ring that bell icon.